Hey guys.
What's up?
Do you ever notice my voice changes when I'm high?
Mine too, bro.
My voice gets really high.
Yeah, I was thinking about that when I was singing earlier. Like, it does not sound the same.
We should sing. I really feel like singing right now.
Let's do it. What do you want to sing?
I don't know. What do you want to sing?
I feel like you should do one and then I should do one. And then we should do one together.
That's a lot of singing.
Yeah, but they're not like whole songs.
Do you hear my throat?
What do you guys think?
So anyway, guess what? We were reunited with Death Star. This is Chris's first time smoking it.
Coming to you live from the Death Star.
And we decided that we wanted to make a hybrid of Death Star and Girl Scout cookies. And we're going to call it Death Cookies.
Dude, you are going to get so creative with this shit. It's going to be bomb. Set us up.
Did I feel like a clown with my lips this color?
Is that great?
So I feel like it reflects on my mouth around my lips too. My nose is so itchy. So how was your day, Chris?
It's pretty good. Wasn't bad at all. Got some drawing in. Got some singing in. Visited mom. Wasn't bad. First time with Death Star.
I already said that.
I know, but I was just like emphasizing like, boom, that's what tops the cake on this day.
Yeah, makes it the best.
It's the cake topper, man.
We're actually gonna pack another bowl. Because I'm not high enough.
Not for life, man.
Not for life?
Life is a constant high and you gotta beat that shit. It's poetry.
That's like making me think like harder than I want to be thinking right now. Wow, my nose is so itchy.
Don't you hate that shit?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the door just a little bit.
Yeah,
Probably
we're
maybe
kind of
like
clean
quarter.
bacon.
1/3 probably. What would you
I'd say
35 degrees?
I'd say like 2/3.
2/3?
Yeah. So about 2/3 open.
Yeah.
Not 1/3 closed because we're optimists.
Exactly.
And that's thinking glass half full. Yep.
So what were we gonna sing, man? You first.
No, you go.
Kick us off.
No.
We'll do short ones. Just excerpts from the song.
You go.
What one? That I know.
I don't know. Dude, I feel like the van is rocking right now.
Right, because I was going like...
Oh my god! It was rocking. I was like, am I going crazy?
Alright, I got one.
Okay, go for it.
My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Who's everybody's disapproval. Should've worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every sun is getting more bleak. Fresh poison each week. We were born sick, heard them say it. My church offers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom. You go, man.
Better not.
Yup.
What would I sing?
Anything you want. We can go Disney, we can go Ellie Goulding, we can go Ellie Ingram. Pink, Adele. New stuff.
Okay. Daydreamer, sitting on your seat, soaking up the sun. He is a real lover, making up the past and feeling up his girl like he's never felt a figure before. A jaw dropper, looks good when he walks, is the subject of their talk. He would be hard to chase, but good's a catch and he could change the world with his hands behind his back. Oh,
It was beautiful.
thanks, man. Your soul is yours.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
All right, now one together.
What are we doing? Start us out.
Ah, baby, nah, baby.
You got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. Say, nah, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. Oh, that's great. So, that's Death Star for you. I feel like I'm yelling again. Hey, Dana! How was your day, Dana?
Why are you yelling, Coriana?
I'm not yelling, Dana!
You're supposed to interrupt me.
I'm not to you, Dana!
Oh my god. Reliving past videos.
Yeah. Alright. Peace.
Deuces.
I know I can't.